Yo 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 yo. What's up YouTube? The greatest repairman in the world is back. As you can see, I'm currently inside my van, and I'm about to go to someone's house to fix a washing machine that doesn't spin, and I will show you guys how to fix the washer step by step. And for lunch I got this top quality Philly cheesesteak, which is obviously my favorite, and some garlic bread, which is also my favorite. Alright, let's get going. I might bribe somebody a fish, but I will have to bring that fish up to somebody. Good thing I had my coffee this morning, otherwise, I'll be going crazy. Okay, looks like I'm here. Okay, first things first, unplug the washing machine. Second, turn off the water that goes to the washer. There's the pump. Right between the motor and transmission is the motor coupler. Looks like it is broken. Now, we identified the problem. First we move the pump to the side. Now we're going to have to take off the clips that hold the motor. Wow, looks like it's really broken. Now we got the new one. You just slide it on here. Now, you insert the motor. Okay, now put the straps back to the motor and the pump. Alright, now put the washer down, and then plug the washer in and turn on the water to it. Okay, let's see if it works. Okay, it's working perfectly. Yes! Another job well done with some good money. Right, time to stay at work until 5, then I'll go back home.